I mean, this is it. My dad gone, my mom gone. That's it. Got nobody else.
Oh, you don't have any brothers and sisters?
Got one brother. That fool, he's a half brother. He's my half brother. We got the same mother, we ain't got the same father. He locked up. I won't even let him know what's happening. And my father's wife, she died a year and a half ago. She got a daughter.
Mm-hmm.
She she locked up. She done got herself in some trouble. So why put that on them right now?
Yeah.
And they stuck. They can't go out anyway. So I'm not gonna worry them. But that'll mess their head up worse than what it already is.
Yeah.
I told my wife, I say, she always asks, you sure you okay? I'll be all right. That's in God's hands now.
Yeah.
It ain't in mine.
Yeah.
I don't run that. All I can do is pray and see what the Lord's gonna do.
Yeah.
My uncle, he go, yeah, you need to call all the